Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am the Drunken Goth, and today we are back on the GT4, but today we are having the welding done. So any minute now my welding chap will arrive. Chap named Lewis, works with a company called LCL Welding. Very good. So if you're in the Leicestershire, Nottinghamshire, Derbyshire sort of area, need any welding doing, I'll put a link in the description. Very good at what he does. So yes, let's crack on and start getting this old girl welded up. So as you can see from the images, once we started grinding a lot of that paint back, we found that a lot of the metal was in very good condition. So quite fortunately we didn't have to do too much. Obviously this is one side. We did have to do a little bit more on the opposite side, as that was in a little bit more of a poorer state. But quite luckily, really, not too much had to be cut out to get to good metal. So it was only sort of the very back edge that was in the worst condition. So luckily we've not had to do too much on these sections. So as you can see here, this is almost finished at this point. Obviously we just need a little bit more grinding and shaping to get it exactly right, and it's come out quite well. And of course when we send it to the body shop, there will obviously be a little layer of filler just skimmed over the top just to make everything nice before the paint goes on. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out. Nicely done with the lip for the inner wheel arch as well. So yeah, no complaints at all, and he's made quite a nice job. But while that welding was going on, we decided to turn to the cam covers so that we could get them back on, stop any crap from the welding going back in. So that means back to the wire wheel.
Many hours later.
So after a good amount of cleaning and polishing, this is the result. And as you can see, they do clean up very nicely. So as you can see here, they do come up very well. They are very shiny now, which is exactly what we like to see. And getting them back on the engine, they make all the difference, as this should really be what it looks like. This should be how, to me, how every 308 should look like. You should always be drawn straight to these big, bright, bold Ferrari cam covers so that you can see the V8 in all its glory. So brilliantly done. This is what we like. So we've got most of the welding done behind where those fuel tanks are, so those fuel tanks can go back in now. We've got the cam covers back on, which obviously I wanted to do so that there wasn't so much crap from the welding going into the cylinder heads, so that's all done now as well. They've cleaned up lovely. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like on it, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on the next one.